The Grizzly Café was started by our incredible community class teacher, Amanda Tetro. It started a couple of years ago, and quite honestly, it has changed what inclusion looks like at Glad Park Public School.
The Grizzly Café is a student-run cafe that runs once a week typically here in our classroom at Glad Park Public School. The goal is to serve cookies and warm drinks to staff or community members who are visiting within our school. At the cafe, my role here is to support students and facilitate the operations of our cafe. So we have different areas in the cafe that really highlight different aspects of a cafe and building on job skills. So one of the stations that we have is the order taking station. We have the survey station, which provides input into what we should create for the future of our cafe. The other station is the expedition station, where they read the order, create the order, and prepare it and give it to the staff. And then we have the loyalty program, which helps to bring a little bit of extra uniqueness to our cafe, and students are able to learn how to alphabetize their cards.
My top is a loyalty. It is fun to be at the cafe.
Cafe makes me feel happy.
I am the first person to greet people. I ask them what they want.
I feel happy when staff come. My favorite treat is brownies.
My favorite treat is tomatoes. I will turn a menu and make the hours.
One of the kids I work with doing speech therapy is in the classroom, which is how I first learned about the cafe. My Wednesdays are made so much better. I get a little pick-me-up, a little treat, and it's just such a great way to interact with the kids in the classroom and have them learn these different life skills.
We come to the Grizzly Café every time it opens for the fantastic atmosphere, the opportunity to see the kids shine and really take responsibility and ownership over the cafe.
Really is a very sweet and special and unique experience for students and staff. It's not just cookies and coffee, it's more than that. The Grizzly Café provides students with an opportunity to build their lifelong skills for the future, for high school and for adult life. They've had an opportunity to build connections and social relationships, and it's something that's really, really positive for them.